My name is Oyewumi Isaac Ayomide, popularly known as LordRock. Yes, in today's section, I won't like to take our time, so I will quickly cover a little topic we are to discuss today, which is 11 skills required for digital marketing. Actually, digital marketing is not a strange business on the internet anymore, but there are some skills that cover this digital marketing. For you to call yourself for you to call yourself a digital marketer, then you have to have one of these skills as your internet skills, or how can I call it, as a online job that you do for people online. So now we will start with number one. And before I move on, I would like you to please go direct to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and while we publish so much video as well for you, and everything, it will be always and always usable for you. So we based on crypto and digital skills. You will really enjoy us. Once you visit LordRock Tech Solution, please click on subscribe. Click on subscribe. Thank you. Now let's go back to this section. Now, copywriting. I will be talking about some tips that we can make use of these skills that will be very, very fast. Copywriting. When you think of copywriting, think of selling to people. Anytime you think of copywriting, think of selling to people, because copywriting is a process of writing words. So it's like maybe you're advertising a product physically to someone, all what you have to discuss to the person is in act of what you advertise. So this copywriting also is a method by which you are advertised by writing. Do you get it? So it's a skill that some people don't know how to advertise. It's not, and some people are very good at it. It's a gift. In the same method, some people are very good at it, that even if they write a format for you in their method of maybe say, okay, let me advertise this product, you will surely fall for it. Even if you don't want to buy it for yourself, you buy it for someone else. Do you get my point now? So copywriting is a very high skills. If you want to know more better about copywriting, you can just read this text I'm on it, and you will understand it more better. Now, SEO. I won't lie to you, SEO is a big time skills. Even me myself, I have to learn this SEO because I need it for my blog. Where SEO is search engine optimization, and we have search engine marketing. The reason why I include this search engine marketing is they are a little bit different. When we are discussing about search engine optimization, then we are discussing about something internet as well. We are discussing something about internet as well, because it's like you are looking for a keywords, or then anybody that's into content writing will understand what I'm saying, that even if you are a content writer, go and learn SEO. This SEO will help you, because for you to see any content on Google very quickly, which means these people have already know that yes, you will come one day and look for this keyword. I mean, I look for this word. We call it keyword in SEO basic section. Do you get it now? So SEO, okay, let's read this now. SEO is important skill every digital marketer should acquire, as it's used to get traffic. If I said it earlier, that is a method by which you find a keyword that, okay, these people will look for it, and just for them to what, to get more traffic to what, to their business. For instance, maybe let me say I'm selling let me quickly use a word. Maybe I'm selling materials. I'm selling building materials. Let me say that. I'm selling building materials. Now, me that I'm selling these building materials, inside that building materials, I know that there is one particular product. There is one particular product that people mostly search for. Maybe let me say nails. People mostly search for nails. Then that nails, I should know how I can optimize it in a way that many people will come. If someone is looking for nail and they see that okay, this person has nail, then I will be able to advertise other building materials as well for them, for other customer to buy. So that's it, that you are getting traffic with just a what, with just a keyword. So that's SEO. And when we are talking about, when we bring SEO into blogging, so it's like you are targeting a keyword that people will like to search for from Google. So once people see this, let me click on this. So they will surely go and they will surely click on your website link, and they will visit it once and for all. Yes, that's all about SEO. Even SEO is a very great thing. If you search just one keyword, I have a boss that he did this SEO and make money. He have a lot of customers. He sell one keyword. He sell one keyword at 3,000, 2,000 most times, and he can just sit down within 2 hours. He can get, or maybe on one particular niche, he can get like 20 keywords. And now imagine that he get 20 keywords and he sold everything out at 2,000, at 2,000 per one. So that's 20, right? That's 20 times 2,000. So he make 40,000 naira in just 2 hours. Now imagine that you are given the whole project that okay, this website, I want you to give me a keyword. Even if you are a content, that's the reason why I said content writer should go for this SEO. Go and learn it. Even if you are a content writer, you will still have the ability to what, to write the content by yourself after you work on that keywords. So it's a very great skill. I won't lie to you. So without wasting our time, let's move down to data analysis. I explained this data analysis in previous video, and I explained it very much better. I will advise you to watch that previous video next to this. I will make sure I attach it. Once after you watch this, it will bring that video pop up so that you will be able to click on it directly. Now, content marketing. Content marketing. I explained it in the last video as well, that content marketing is I won't lie, where you all this content writer, you have to be more professional in content writing. Even if you are not more professional, I will just mention one method that most content writer did when it comes to content marketing. For instance, now maybe everything is about sales. This life about sales. Let's sell a product. Okay, now when we are discussing about content writing, if you see anything like they are selling a Amazon ebook course, and you see that okay, 25 people have purchased for this course, we have 5 left. That 5 that they said is left, if you come back there tomorrow, you will still see that yes, it's still the same 5 that is left, or they increase it so that you won't notice. As a content marketer, they won't tell you that this course is new and so have purchased it. There is a way they build testimonies for everything, because you have to make this sales. You must be a professional, so you can go for this thing and learn it as well. It's about content, so you have to be a content writer as well. So and then you based on content marketing. The marketing consultant, this marketing consultant is like you build yourself to be an influencer. When you be an influencer, people like Davido, like Whiskey, like if they make them an influencer or let me say an ambassador of a particular company. So imagine how those companies will get the sales. And I think last year I got the news last year that Ronaldo was served Coca-Cola drink on his table. So immediately this man removed that Coca-Cola and put it down from his table to down. That Coca-Cola company lose almost $1 billion for that month, and says that people are not buying that product because just only for that Ronaldo to bring that Coca-Cola. So this marketing consultant, if you can build yourself, but you still have to build some skills. Maybe you have to you have to be someone very popular on social media, maybe through email marketing. Yes, you can just do that just for you to be more professional. People will look for you, and anything you go for, there are some people that will go for you. It's like you are fighting for election. So people that love you will vote for you. And Um problem solving skills is like maybe you see a particular you can solve any problem online. It goes viral. Maybe you are a website designer, then you want to solve a problem. Someone will just come, okay, my website is giving me 404 error. What can I do? If you are capable to do it, you go, okay, let me help you. You will pay a sum of money. And if you are maybe you are or as I said earlier, you are a content marketer, so you are a content writer or something like that. Okay, this person is trying to advertise, but you can't get it this way. You can't get traffic this way. You can't get sales. So if you can solve the problem, okay, I will try and work on affiliate marketing for you as well. Okay, let's work on this thing. I will be giving percentage on each product, so you can just work for your go into the or you solve the problem and collect your money. It's very simple things. So you can go for these things. Then persuasive. This thing is like you order for it's like solving problem as well, but it's like you order for something, some needs, let me say products that people will surely need. This thing mostly happen when it comes to mini importation. Like people will surely like this thing, and you order for it at a very low price, then you sell it at a high price. That okay, you deliver it to people. The email marketing will be forever and ever valid, because as you dey see that email marketing, everybody that everybody stay concern of email. If you apply for a job today, they will mail you directly. All banking system are into emails. Every business is into email. Even if you create website today, you have to what? You have to work with your email address, because they will just check it. Now imagine 1 million people are checking their email email every day. They are checking it every day. So, and you are making use of this email to market your product. You can win this thing. You can win it. So you can then next one is pay per click advertising. This pay per click advertising is like running advertisements for products, or there are some company as well that they offer this method to people. They offer this method to users, that okay, you come to their website, you sign up with them, and they give you links that okay, advertise this link for us. The more you get the view, the more they will pay you. Or you are given this particular job from people. You are given this particular job from people that maybe okay, I want to sell this thing. I want people, so you can just go to Facebook or run advertisement for them. Go to Google, run ads for them. Go to Instagram, Twitter, and every social media like that, just for them to see the results. So you are what? You are marketer. Then storytelling, omo, this storytelling is very beautiful. I won't lie, it's very beautiful, and it's part of most I would say let me say number two high stuff in on entertainment. Yes, on entertainment, because even if you are writing a story to advertise a product, people will be like, I must read this thing finish. I must complete this thing. So that's about content writing. Then let's read this story. Although story in the line of content writing, it is simple. On every digital marketer needs, as a woman, we feel, touch, and move to things when we hear a story. Do you get the point now? So even if we are promoting your goods or service, will be a better way to make a sales than just listing properties of what of products. You can just say, okay, this thing. When you mention a story, okay, I have a sister, she makes use of this thing, kinikon, to take care of her baby when she was working. They will be like, what did that woman make use of? Okay, she made use of this product. You can buy it. It was something, there is promo, there is 25% discount. It is like that. Through that storytelling, you can, as a content writer, you'll be very good at it. When you said, okay, I want to go for this storytelling and write a product. So as a content writing, I will say something at the end of this class. Creativity, creativity, the world is advancing. The world is advancing. Let me just say creativity is also both creativity and marketing. I mean content writing, they are both together. The world works together. You cannot just write only word and you expect people to come and click on it. There must be something that will attract them, that okay, let me read this thing with this image I'm seeing that is speaking. Let me see what is in the content. The skills required. So I will be dropping this video inside this so as to embed it on this website as well. Then you understand it very more better. Then conclusion. This conclusion, we just dropped 11 skills required for you about all digital marketing. And I will mention one thing, because by 2023, even 2024, even let me say next 5 days to this time, website designers as well, they will need two particular skills, very, very important. Is content writing and creativity. Graphic designer will forever be graphic designer. You'll be needing it time to time. I don't know how you can do it. Graphic designer is number one high incoming skills. Do you get it now? Actually, there are some skills that okay, maybe they have a high paying. I okay, yes, we said that last video. Go and watch it. High paying skills. But when we are talking about skills generally, the graphic design, which is creativity, is part of skills. Though I'm very sorry if I'm running very too fast. I don't want to waste our time. So graphic design is part of skills that you need to focus on. Then next to graphic design is content writing. So that's all for today, and I really appreciate you guys. And again, let me beg you, I will be very happy as well if you do this. I want you to go to the YouTube channel LordRock Tech Solution and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, thank you. And don't forget to get back to this, not because not all blog posts I will be going through, that I will be publishing on this website, onlinemark.com. So when you just remember about AudioMark, just know that you have to visit Online Mark. Okay, what did they have today? Just visit the website and you will be rewarded with knowledge. Thank you so much.